Hi everyone, this is Teresa and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be doing Nightmare Before Christmas Oreo cookies. I don't know about you, but Oreos are my favorite cookie, and if I can make it simple, quick, and easy, even better. So what we're going to be using today are candy melts. So you can see that I've melted a white candy melt in the microwave 30 seconds at a time, giving it a little stir, and I'm pouring a little bit on top of each Oreo cookie. I'm tapping down so that it becomes a little more evenly coated. And then once that dries, you're going to be taking long wooden skewers and just putting it in between the Oreo layers. The next section is you get to have a little bit of fun. Here's Jack the Skeleton. And you're going to be melting those candy melts. And you can see that these designs are very easy to replicate. And here is Sally's dress in terms of just a reminiscent blue, pink, yellow, and a little bit of black. So when people look at those designs, they'll think you spent hours on this, but you can see it is so simple and easy. And what I recommend is as you're layering the different flavors, as you can see, I'm putting some purple on there, just let it dry a little bit so that it doesn't run into each other, so that when people enjoy your cookies, they can see and feel all of the textures. Once the cookies are fully hardened, you're going to be wrapping them in plastic, and then you can tie a little ribbon at the bottom, or you can do what I'm doing and just put a little bit of tape. What you see right in front of you is a box that I've created. I painted it black and then did a little note to a friend, family member for their cute little nightmares coming to visit. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe. We have new content every Wednesday and Friday, and we hope you join us.